residents, and welcome to the state of misclassification, home of the ports of Long Beach and Los Angeles, or as they are better known, the ports of wage theft.
The port drivers' strike is expanding. More drivers at both Long Beach and Los Angeles ports going on strike against more companies out there. That's causing a major backup on a lot of things, and with the holiday season almost here, that could cause more problems and, in fact, could impact all of us.
Round 5, by the way, of this strike. The truck drivers are classified right now as independent contractors. They want to be employees. The work stoppage is backing up delivery on items that we all use every day.
Nosotros queremos que nos traten como lo que somos empleados. Ellos no, dicen que no somos empleados, pero sí somos empleados.
Se puede hacer un cambio, pero que tenemos que unirlos todos.
Lift up people who work hard every single day. Lift up working families. Together we're telling the companies that no one who breaks the law should be allowed to do business at this port.
I've sat in the home of a worker who had to decide whether or not to get a tire on his truck or take his sick son to the hospital that night. That's a decision nobody who works 40 and 50 and 60 hours a week should ever have to make in America. Truck drivers, you will win. Keep on fighting. You will win.
I'm here because I am tired. I'm exhausted. I'm tired of being stepped on. I'm tired of being used and abused.
TTSI strike is ending today because 3 of these companies have agreed to sit down for discussions. And we believe as we add more companies, there'll be more companies involved in those discussions till we can eventually win justice for these workers.
The drivers say they're wrongly labeled as independent contractors instead of employees with benefits, Social Security, workman's comp, and sick time.
The trucking companies want to sit with the Teamsters to make you happy to resolve your grievances with the Teamster contract. That's what you're fighting for.
Now the drivers are expanding their strike to 3 new freight shipping and trucking companies, meaning more goods that will not be delivered.
Now they're seeing that, all this movement is for sure, it's getting power and it's getting bigger and bigger and people's getting more confident.
Come and support us and help us to get this thing going, and hopefully one day we're gonna make a better life for everybody.
Son demasiadas compañías que están abusando de los trabajadores, de los que dignamente nos ganamos un sueldo para llevar a nuestras familias. Y resulta que el dinero se está quedando en la bolsa de ellos y nosotros llevamos una miseria de cheque.
same struggle. It's these drivers winning their rights, the rights that they should be guaranteed under the law.
We are here to let them know that yes, they can do more.
We're going to state our case because workers need to be heard. They have stood up by going on strike. They put their jobs on the line because they see a better future for their families.
We called the Port Authority for comment. They said they're on the side of the drivers. In fact, they've been trying to facilitate the talks. For now, it's back to the bargaining table.
Long Beach and Los Angeles harbors are the epicenter for misclassification in this country. But it takes courage and bravery by these workers, by these drivers, to fight for the American dream. And we're serving notice to companies like TTSI and PAC-9 that we're not going anywhere.
I'm so proud. I have never seen a strike that was so effective, so empowering, especially led by such courageous workers who don't have a union yet, but they know that they will win one.